Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to create text column in InDesign 2022. Let's get started. At first, open your Adobe InDesign software, then open your document or existing document. Now I am create text column in InDesign. Now I am see. Now I am create text box column in InDesign. Now firstly select your text box and go to the object menu and click the text frame option. Then you can see here are column, here select fixed number. Then we can increase number name, increase or 3, you can increase gather white, then insert spacing, now top, bottom, left, right, then vertically justify, top align, right justify, right, center, then click, you can choose ignore text wrap, then click OK. Now you can see create text column in InDesign 2022 very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.